Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to reset the game progress of any game on Steam. Start by opening up Steam and go to Settings. Next, choose Cloud and disable Enable Steam Cloud. Now, there are two ways to do this, and I will show you both. First, go to the game in your library that you want to reset the progress of. Next, right-click on the game and go to Manage and choose Browse Local Files. This will open up the game's program files. In these files, look for a map called Saves or Game Saves or something similar. If you found this map, delete all of the files in it. If not, try the second way. Start by opening up Steam again and click on the Store. Next, type in the name of the game you want to reset the progress of in the search bar of the store. When opened up, you will see this 6 numbers in this link at the top left. Write these numbers down somewhere. After that, open up your Steam program files by going to the disk your Steam games are saved on. This may differ for everyone. First, choose Program Files or Program Files, x86, depending on where your Steam games are saved in. Next, look for the map called Steam inside one of these two maps. Then choose User Data. After that, open up the first map with numbers. Inside this map, you should find a map with the numbers you wrote down from the link in the Steam store. Delete the files inside this map, and your game progress will be reset. These ways will only work if the game is not connected to a server like EA or other servers. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.